Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing how you can get a 1k free profit account that you can use to start trading without having to make any deposit of your own. All you have to do is just follow me to the end of this video, stay with me to the end, and don't miss out on the step-by-step guide I'll be giving you and showing you on how you can get this particular account. Now without having to waste much of our time, to get the link to this platform, to this website, to this account, all you have to do is just click on the link that is in the description of this video to take you right to my Telegram channel. As you can see right here on the screen, all you have to do is just join the channel so you don't miss out on information, updates, further information and further updates concerning any videos that I drop on the YouTube channel. And as you can see right here, they get to be updated and be informed even before I drop any videos on YouTube. As you can see, and showing on the Telegram channel, there are multiple withdrawal proofs that you can get and you can see on this Telegram channel. Now heading to how we can get this particular account, but before I continue, if you know this is your first time of you coming across this channel, or you've been watching videos from this channel and you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe so you don't miss out on information, updates regarding forex deposit bonuses, free funded accounts, profit account, and how you can make money online. Now let's head to how we can get this particular account. So after clicking on the link in the Telegram channel, all you have to do next is just register an account with them, or if you already have an account with them, all you have to do is just log in directly to your dashboard and your own page. As you can see right showing on the screen, I have already logged in. Now the first thing you want to take note of is you verifying your account. You have to verify your account. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on more right here. You click on more. After logging in and verify your account, you go ahead and click on more showing on the screen. Click on more. Then after clicking on more, you can now go ahead and click on competitions right here. That is what you are going to be clicking on. Then you go ahead and click on competition and you have various accounts that you can get right showing on the screen. Now as you can see right here, this is the account that is in progress, but this is not what we are getting. I'm going to be clicking on upcoming. As you can see right here, I'm going to be clicking on upcoming, and this is the account that we are going to be getting right showing on the screen. As you can see right here, now you have 3 days for you to get this particular account. That is why I'm dropping this account now, so you don't miss out on this particular opportunity. You have 3 days left to get this particular account. Now to get started, all you have to do is just click on it, you tap on it, and as you can see right showing on the screen, this is the account, this is the details that you need to know about this particular account. Now the initial capital, as you can see right here, of course, is the 1,000 free profit account that you'll be using to trade right here. Now onto the terms and conditions that you need to know concerning this particular account. Now as you can see right showing on the screen, your maximum loss that you can make on this particular account is 20%. Once you hit this 20% loss, your account will be withdrawn. As you can see right here, you don't want to miss this account, so make sure you don't get to lose 20% of the account. As you can see right showing on the screen, you still have 48,801 spots remaining. As you can see, you are still able to join this particular account. You can still join this particular account. Now for the prices that you need to know concerning this particular account, as you can see, the first position get to take $2,000. As you can see, the second position get 1,500, and the third position get to take 125. But here is the interesting thing I need you to know concerning this particular account. They are still going to pay, they'll be paying the top 100. As you can see right here, they'll be paying the top 100. So you have a chance to get this account, like you have a chance to make withdrawals from this particular account. You have a chance to make withdrawals from this particular account. As you can see right showing on the screen, these are the prices that they'll be giving the top 100. When you click on show more, you can see you get to know the price. You still get to make withdrawals on this platform, as you can see right showing on the screen. Now this is all you need to know concerning this account. The next thing you're going to do is just click on start competing, and you already have your account right showing on the screen. right here. So this is basically all you need to know concerning this particular account. When you get your account, please do well to drop it in the comment section or send a screenshot, a proof in my Telegram channel so I can share with the community that you all have been able to get this particular account. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on further information, upcoming updates, how you can make money online, free forex, no deposit bonus, free forex account, free premium account that you need to know. See you in my next video. Bye.